Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. Today, I would like to share my feelings about two important coefficients. Generally, most of you have heard about IQ, EQ, IQ, intelligent quotient, how intelligent you are, how better you can use your intelligence. That is known as IQ. Once upon a time, recruiters used to look at your IQ to recruit you in their organization. Later, not only IQ, people are also looking at your EQ levels. How best you can understand your emotions, how you will deal with other people, how you are able to understand the emotions of other people, and how can you adjust your behavior after understanding the emotions of people to whom you are dealing. That comes under EQ. Now, later, adversity quotient, AQ, how better you can adjust to the changing tough conditions around you. So that is adversity quotient. When the situation is not favorable condition, like present day, so how best you can cope up with the unfavorable, undesirable, tough situation, almost a trauma condition. How best you can cope up, how best you can adjust, how best you can survive, they all come under AQ, adversity coefficient. Now, social coefficient, how better you can deal with your colleagues, people, your teammates, how better you can establish connections with many people in community or society, how best you can deal with them comes under social coefficient. Now, two more concepts. One is curiosity coefficient. Another one is fashion coefficient. So, 3-time Pulitzer Prize winner. Pulitzer Prize is the highest award given in the field of journalism. So not only one time, 3 times winner of Pulitzer Award, and in New York Times columnist who deals with external affairs, namely Thomas Friedman, brought these two concepts into prominence, brought these two concepts into the literature. And so emotional coefficient, it's a Goleman favorite subject. Anyhow, so what is the fashion coefficient? How passionate you are, to know how passionate you are in a particular aspect, at a particular thing, that comes under fashion coefficient. Fashion is nothing but a deep love for your work, a deep love to achieve what you want in your life is a fashion. So to put it in a simple terms, it's a burning desire to achieve what you want in your life is your passion. For example, a good example for passion, for example, a cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar or any other cricketer, Gavaskar or Dhoni, are moving on a road, but on the side of road, kids are playing cricket. Immediately, any one of these will go and want to bowl. That reflects their passion. So, passion is a burning desire. So, how passionate you are comes under passion coefficient, and curiosity coefficient. By putting questions to know more and more, inquisitive to learn or to know each and everything, that inner thinking to know each and everything is nothing but curiosity. Utsukata, curiosity. Abhiruchi, fashion you can call it as. తెలుసుకోవాలనే ఉత్సుకతో ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే దాన్ని we call it as curiosity coefficient. And want to achieve something under any circumstances is a fashion coefficient. So that's why Field Marshal Poch described the strongest weapon on this earth is human soul on fire. When you have a passion, when you have a strong desire, when you have a burning desire in your mind, in your soul, that will achieve anything. That's why Field Marshal Poch once said, the strongest weapon or the most powerful weapon on earth is human soul on fire. So how passionate, how strong you are to achieve your goal comes under passion coefficient. To know each and everything is a part of learning process. By putting questions, by asking questions, by reading books, by knowing yourself, the inquisite that is present in our mind or spirit or soul, that comes under curiosity. When these combine together, passion coefficient, curiosity coefficient, you will achieve anything in the life and you will lead a happy life. So learn these two topics, that is curiosity coefficient and another one is passion coefficient. These two are essential to get education properly, to achieve what you want in your life, to be happy in the life, to be content in the life, and to get success in the life. You must know about passion coefficient and also curiosity coefficient. Passion coefficient is how best you are passionate to achieve something is a passion coefficient. How best you are supposed to know each and everything. How best curious you are, that comes under curiosity coefficient. I would like to discuss these two terms with you. That's why I have come to you and I have discussed these two terms. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.